Meaning of dysfunction.
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 Dysfunction. Dysfunction refers to an impaired or abnormal functioning of a system or organ in the body. It can also refer to an abnormal behavior or maladaptive pattern that affects a person's ability to function in daily life. The result of dysfunction is usually a negative impact on the affected individual or system, leading to various problems such as physical discomfort, emotional distress, impaired cognitive function, decreased productivity, and decreased quality of life. Additionally, dysfunction can also affect those around the individual or system and can have wider social and economic implications.